Before they start their work with Oxford tutors, students travel to London, went to some of the museums in London, traveled along the Thames, and spent a night there. And part of those early weeks, one of the real privileges that we have at the IHON-Oxford program is the ability to really immerse ourselves in that culture and see some of the distinctions and differences between them. It allows students to place their experience in Oxford in context, to start to understand some of the differences that they may see in just the everyday routines. And I think it also adds depth to what they're learning.